Skies clearing, temperatures warming, and ACC baseball quickly approaching in South Bend, Indiana, where fourth-ranked Florida State plays outside of Florida for the first time this season against the Fighting Irish. Carson Tinney skies this one left center field. They're giving it a courtesy look because it's long gone. Lee shoots this one to right field. Back goes Harrelson. He's looking up. Tie game. Jace Lee with his first collegiate home run. It's 4-4 in the sixth. Moreno, Notre Dame takes the lead. Wow. Brady Gumpf, high drive, center field. Williams back. Notre Dame returns to the lead. Gumpf with a long one, and it's 8-7 Irish. Zimbardo, center field. Williams back, on the run. Notre Dame in front again. This time it counts for Jared Zimbardo. 9-8 Irish. DeMarco lifts it to left field. Back at the wall, another home run for the Irish. 3-run shot, Nick DeMarco, and it's 15-8. Jefferson serves it down the line, and that one snuck inside the pole. Are you serious? 16-8 Notre Dame. He struck him out. The Irish have got the power, and they've got the series opener. Notre Dame hits 7 home runs and upsets number 4 Florida State 16-9.